Here's a 2017 Cadillac CT6 sedan. Whether you're driving or being driven, you'll relish the experience of this prestige car in a class all its own. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, V6 engine, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic park assist too. AutoWeek comments, the CT6 responds with a noticeable lack of body roll and reflexes that remind us of its smaller sibling, the ATS Coupe. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.